Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Need to send a large file quickly? Let's learn how to upload and share a zip file using Google Drive. So to do that, first of all, you have to go on your My Files app on your device. After that, go to the files or folder which one you want to send or which one you want to upload in Google Drive. Let's say I want to upload these two files. So first of all, I have to select these two files. After that, tap on this three dot menu from the right bottom corner and you can see there is an option compress. Just tap on this and then compress. It will make a new zip file. There's a two-way to upload, and directly you can upload it from the Google Drive, or you can send file, or you can upload this from here. I'm showing the easiest way. Just tap and hold a little bit on this folder. After that, tap on this share icon. Now you can see there is a Google Drive apps icon. Tap on it. Now here you can see an option location and you can choose where you want to upload this from here. So tap on this and it will redirect you on your Google Drive. Now you can choose wherever you want to upload this. Now if you want to make a new folder, then just tap here and name the folder. And then just tap this select. After that, just tap on this save. And that's it. This is how you can easily upload your zip file on Google Drive. So if you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.